All right, so today is October 21st, 2021. Our backyard was finally completed, and Illuminations did an unbelievable job with all of our landscape lighting. Just want to give you guys a quick tour. The artificial turf put in. Let me turn the camera this way, I think it'll be better. No, actually, it's this way is better. We even lit up the lake. We put a fountain in. Not as big a fountain as I wanted, but changes color. Lit up all the woods in the back. Our pool, our jacuzzi. Heading out this way now, towards the other side of the property. We just finished up some lights today along the house to give a little bit more depth to the home. As you can see now, we have lights around the entire property. Nice light up everywhere. Gives a nice feel to the home. There's our sports court here, it's pitch black. That's it, that's the backyard. Our rabbits over there. Did a really, really nice job. Very happy, very professional. Highly recommend them.